Oh yeah! This is exactly why we do this. As you know, it's Wheel Collectors. We're back on a Monday, first thing on the week. Guess what? Car Culture L case. Car Culture was hot. We've been wanting Car Culture for a while. This is Street Tuners. We're loving it. Check this out. 10 cars in a box. 2 complete sets on this one. Here we go, top down. 2222. Okay, I'm gonna pull them out 2 at a time since it's the 2. The first one in the case, right there, is a Honda S2000. Check that bad boy out. Whew. You know, the thing that I'm a really big fan of here is the fact that these are just nice and clean. Don't get me wrong, I love tampos and I love the decals they've been putting on stuff, but these are clean, super clean. I like that. Got to switch it up every once in a while. The second model that's in the case is the bright yellow 95 Mazda RX7. Look at that. These card backs are sweet too. Thanks, Julian. Look at that thing, guys. Yeah. The next card that's in the case, 2 per case, is the Nissan 180SX Type X. Look at this. All black. That is slick. Super slick Car Culture. Bang. Okay, sorry guys, I'm I'm enjoying this case right here, so I'm just gonna take my time with it. Here's the Nissan Silvia S15. This one right here is one of Jimmy Lou's favorites. He worked with his team on this one, and it is just unbelievable. Check that out. Super clean. I have a feeling that we'll be putting a set of these in our case. There it is. And then last but not least, the smoking brand new, never done before, Pandem Subaru BRZ. Look at this Subaru. That was the end of the case. Look at that thing, guys. Super cool. Street Tuners is clean. I'm loving it. Nice way to mix it up, guys, on the Dream Team. This set is special. And guess what? Oh yeah, we're gonna give away 2 sets of this, I guess. Right here, we're gonna give this set away. We're gonna give this set away. Let's get crazy today. Be sure to comment and subscribe to us. 1 subscriber will win a set, and 1 person that comments will win a set. This is hot off the truck. Wheel Collectors, thank you so much.